I like this song. I can rap to this song.
Yeah.
Well, then do it.
Does it sound like it's rapping?
Oh my gosh. Would you stop listening?
This hi-hat makes the song. The song wouldn't be as cool if it didn't have a hi-hat.
Oh my gosh. Carson, this will be our first Cartilli video. Oh, you really liked it. Ew, gross. That's my new camera.
I didn't get the lens, I promise.
You know you're saying it for everybody in the world to see, Carson.
I don't care.
Okay. Keep going. Oh wow.
I need to do it. It's kind of happy. Well, I said I'm the person.
That's great. Say Maria. Hey. That's Maria. That's Carson. That's Stacy. And I'm Rachel, of course.
Be modest, Tilly. Yeah, be modest.
What?
Yeah.
Be modest.
What?
Modest. I know part of the song.
This is like our first Cartilli episode that we've got to do together.
Really?
Yeah, like we haven't, there's 2 videos up, and they're just me, and I haven't been able to get with Carson, and now Carson and I are together. Oh gosh. Contact, yes.
Neither.
It's a long song.
Now we're crashing. This is bad, real bad. Michael Jackson.
I don't know.
Your man, Carson, your man.
Yeah, I texted Dad, and I was like, I texted him saying, I don't get it. Mom said this and this and this and this and this, and I told her this and this, and then he sent me that text about...
You really put this and this in your text? That's cool.
Yeah, I said this and this.
This and this.
Hey, you want to see something weird, Carson? I thought you said you put this and this in your eggs.
Egg. I didn't say anything
What are we
about
talking about
eggs.
breakfast food for?
Oh my
I
god.
didn't even have
This
breakfast.
is perfect. Just
This is a
rolling
perfect
tape.
video.
This is perfect. Just rolling tape and what really happens in life.
Yeah, what really happens at a car ride.
Yeah, there's nothing rehearsed, nothing, no nothing. I mean, we just went.
What?
All I'm at.